Okay, so welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, episode 7. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Okay, where are we going?
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving.
Okay,
Dialed
let's
in.
go here.
Let's go.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase courts repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too.
This is really pretty too, man. Really pretty. What the fuck are you doing here?
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
What? Should go here then.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Get the fuck out of here, man. Holy shit, I want it.
You found a resistant spy bot.
Okay,
They contain
that's
intel on
it's
different
new.
planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them.
That's new, man. Okay, let's go back.
We have armaments of all kinds.
Sorry, I just fly on unannounced guests.
Okay, I want to upgrade some things. Okay, we got it. Let's continue.
New
Okay.
tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
Okay. That's a new gun. What the fuck was that? I like that. I really like that. Let's continue. Okay. No. Come on. Nice.
There are the smelting pits across the canyon.
But there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise.
Let's go this way first.
A hurl shot's gonna
Let's
get us
go.
across that chasm? It's huge!
Yes, and I am not thrilled about the name either. But we must find one at the smelting pits. Watch out!
Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift!
Let's go. What the fuck? I should go for a rift. Maybe I should go for a rift, man.
Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear.
Holy shit.
This rail system seems exceedingly...
No.
I am
Really? Fuck.
Here comes a jump!
Okay, I know it.
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up
Holy
in
shit.
a smelting pit.
Ah, now that's a smell!
Yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys.
Okay.
This looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear, the pirates are raiding for scrap.
You can't let them get that hurl.
Okay, pirates.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Let me kill you, fucker.
Ah, shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
No. Okay.
Can't stand these shields.
Fucker.
I adore the way you fight, Rivette, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last Evo!
Really?
To death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but
Give me a hell, man.
because of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. Anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers. Grab it all!
Okay. Get fixed, Lord, you bitch.
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot done.
Okay.
We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer.
Holy shit.
My spine!
Ah! 'Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
Really? Fucker.
If Molotov is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
We're better to find
Let's
buried
go.
treasure than
Fuckers.
So she be fixing to meet the
They're
same
fucking
fate as
strong,
the
man.
fixer? We be happy to oblige.
Come here. Holy shit, so many of them. Where should we go now? No! What the hell? Okay. Fucking kill you! Holy shit! You see that? No way, man. You will not escape. How many health do you have, man? The fuck was that? Where the fuck are we going?
Plunder's been scarce lately. Hope we find an easy arm
Incoming!
Okay.
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it. Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you were
No.
the one getting in my
Fuckers!
I am the protagonist of this story.
Fucking strong, man.
Everyone.
No!
You scurvy!
They are fucking strong. Okay. Pixelize, you bitch. Fucking did it. Level 5.
They're blocking my shots!
Come on. What the fuck?
Lucky!
What the hell, man? Fucking calm down.
Are you getting tired?
Pixelizer is fucking good,
You
man.
were like a new death partner.
It's better than shotgun, I think. Okay, where are we going? Okay. You will die. Don't worry,
Are
man.
we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Okay. Holy shit. The fucking calm down. No. Fuckers. Okay, I need help. I think I need help. There's something. Give me that. Okay. Full health.
Yours?
No. We need allies. Come on. Okay, now what? Give me a shotgun. Come on.
I shall save ye the trouble.
Okay, classic pistol, let's go. No, fucker.
We're wearing him down!
You're not going to scuttle me.
Come on, man, where are you? The fuck?
Just a taste.
Calm the fuck down. You are dead, fucker. We got him. Fucking got him.
Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
Holy shit.
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Go! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Okay. I will do that, don't worry. But first, let's end this episode here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!